everybody. Today we're going to make a wonderful cornbread recipe. So, for cornbread, you need a pan, non-stick cooking spray, cornmeal, flour, baking powder, salt, milk, an egg, some oil, and if you want a little extra kick, some corn with peppers in it. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 425. We're going to spray our pan. Then, in this bowl, we are going to put 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, if you can get the container open. So, 1, baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, we are going to give that a quick little whisk just to sort of get it mixed up. We then take our egg, give it a quick little whisk just so it's sort of mixed together. Doesn't look like an egg anymore. We are going to pour a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk, which, by the way, when you get these, it's 1 cup. 1 cup of milk, your egg, and we're just going to stir this all together until it makes a nice batter. Now, if you just want a basic cornbread, you are done at this point and it can get poured into your pan. If you want to get a little fancy smancy, you can take your corn and you're going to pour about 1 cup into your batter. Give it a mix. And this is the really fancy stuff, guys. It's Mexican corn, so it's got peppers in it. So your batter looks kind of like that. Take it. Pour it into your pre-greased pan. Give it a little tap, and into the oven it goes for about 20 minutes. Okay? 20 minutes later, it comes out, and you have a fabulous looking loaf of cornbread, just like that. Voila.